This is a must-have for every kitchen. I've been using this for the past 2 weeks and it has truly been a game changer. This is a bamboo wood cutting board, but the best part, it comes with 6 flexible color-coded cutting mats. Also have these little symbols. You know exactly where you put your chicken, for example, so that when you're cooking, you're not cross-contaminating, and each individual ingredient will have its own cutting board. They're super thick. I'm very impressed with the quality. I did use this huge knife and had no issues slicing through it. However, it is flexible enough so that whenever, for example, you have some veggies and you need to go dump it into a bowl or your pot, you can easily do so. Also have that textured waffle grip bottom, so when you place them on your countertop, it doesn't slip and it makes it super easy when cutting your ingredients. And then last but not least, super easy to clean. Again, you can just use these foldable mats right on top of this cutting board, so you don't need to reuse and rewash cutting boards over and over again. You can just simply use the mats. They're also dishwasher safe, so all you have to do when you're done is just pop these into the dishwasher and you're good to go. As far as storage, you don't have to worry about a million different cutting boards, because all you do when you're done is just slide them back in here, and then you just have the bamboo wood cutting board to put away. So highly, highly recommend. Really great price point, so make sure to check this out.